One of the concepts with TCP/IP is called windowing. And what this is a control that makes sure that the transmitting computer and the receiving computer both have the same expectations. And the expectations we're talking about is the number of packets that are sent before an acknowledgement. If the transmitting computer is planning on sending 5 packets of information before it receives an acknowledgement, and the receiving computer is planning on receiving 3 packages before it sends an acknowledgement, you have a problem. So what you would simply do is slide the window so that both are at equal levels. If the transmitting computer is looking to send 5, then the receiving computer must be looking to receive 5. Or if the transmitting computer was looking to send 3, then the transmitting computer would need to look for receiving 3 in between each acknowledgement. Now if you think about what is actually happening as this transmission goes on, is 3 packets get sent from one computer through a window to another computer. After those packets are sent, another packet is sent back to the first computer saying, okay, I've received that, I'm ready for some more. This computer sends some more packets, this computer receives it, and then it sends an acknowledgement back, and so forth and so on. What you can see, if your window is too small, like let's say for instance you send 1 packet over and then the receiving computer sends an acknowledgement back, half of your transmissions are wasted in acknowledgements. So the bigger you can make your window without losing many data packets, the more efficient your system will run. Now keep in mind, when you're sending data locally, if your window is smaller, let's say for instance 3 packets for instance, you are close enough that usually you don't have a bunch of interruptions and it should function smoothly. But if you say your window is looking for 3 packets of information and you send it, say, from one location of the world across the world, you may have many different things come into place and possibly slowing packets down, or different packets may take different routes around the world. So if your sliding window is too small across a wide area network, you might have a lot of error messages saying, hey, I've received the packages out of order, or I'm missing a package. If it waited just a few moments later, everything would be there. So it is an advantage to have your sliding window a little bit wider when you're sending things across the wide area networks.